Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. I'm Lisa News. I hope you'll be fine. Now we talk about BTS becomes the first foreign act to lead Japan's Oricon ranking in Reva era. BTS topped Japan's Oricon era ranking in artist sales. BTS took the first place in category of artist sales in the total comprehensive Oricon Reva era ranking. Japan's Big Music Record Corporation started on April 21st, 2021. This milestone was the first time that positions above the hiragana rewa were occupied exclusively by foreign artists that have come to Japan. This management company Big Hit Music announced this achievement on April 21st. This is the first time a foreign artist that ever led to overall ranking since Raiva era began in May 2019. The rankings were decided based on total sales spanning from May 2019 to January of this year based on singles, albums, music DVDs, Blu-rays, digital singles and albums and as well as streamings. Furious BTS Army demand K Media to apologize for complaint of who built up Hybe. BTS dominance across all these formats contributed significantly. Specifically, their sales were primarily driven by albums 36.6%, followed closely by DVDs and Blu-rays 33.8%, while with streaming accounting for 25% of their total sales. BTS secured the top among the foreign artists in the 8 different sectors. These include singles, albums, individual formats, and streamings. Their record albums, breaking albums, BTS The Best, sold over 1.05 million copies, making it only the album by the foreign artist of the million sellers mark in Japan during Reva era. US visa-free hike for international artists, while K-pop explosive global popularity had led to sold out tours worldwide. A recently decision by the US government could impact these dreams concert. The cost of obtaining visa for international artists has skyrocketed in the fact as we approach 2025. Major K-pop companies like Hybe are gearing up for world tour comeback for the artists as BTS, New Chains and 17, and fans may face challenges due to increased visa fees. Effective April 1st, the United States Citizenship and Immigration Service implemented a strategic 20 to 50% increase in the visa cost for musicians looking to tour in the country. For instance, a standard rock band consisting of 4 members could have their visa free surge from $1,840 to approximately $6,760. Additionally, for these who can't afford to wait for standard approval times, USCIS offers an expedited processing option with a fee of 2,805 per application. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're there, like this video and subscribe the channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.